Hi guys, welcome to Accounting with Naomi. Oh my goodness, in this edition, you're gonna love this one. So I want to take you through a series in Sage Cloud Business. Right, I know that we did pastel accounting. It was basically educational software that we did for students that are still at school learning accounting systems. Right, so this is an accounting system video, and I'll be working on Sage Business Cloud. All right, so it is amazing. Okay, so it's so amazing. Anyways, so what you're gonna do, you're gonna use the free version. All right, so you have like 30 days free trial if you want to move your business to Sage Business Cloud. If you want to move your transactions, then you've got like a 30 days trial. All right, so in that 30 days, you can try things, you can learn the system, and if you are happy with it, and then who knows? Maybe that will become your system that you'll be using where you do your transactions. So what can you do with Business Cloud Sage? All right. So I can do my transactions. I can do my invoicing, my quotations. I can do my trial balance, which is very important. I can also link my bank account to Sage so that every transaction that I get through the bank just goes directly into, goes directly into Sage. All I need to do is just to allocate them. All right, so you can also do that. So there are quite a lot of things you do. But anyways, we'll eat the cake piece by piece. So today I'm going to show you how to use the 30 days trial on Sage Business Cloud. I want to teach you how to do that. And also, I want to teach you how to do that and also how to create your company. So today we'll learn, first of all, how to use the 30 days trial and how to create our company. So please go with me, guys. Go with me. Let's start. I'm so excited about this one. So guys, you don't even need to be an accountant. I mean, if you just do your business, if you can follow this, what I'm teaching you right now, if you can follow it and you're just a business owner, you probably don't know much about accounting. It will help you guys. It will help you also to understand what your accountant is doing. And then for bookkeepers, I got you. For my accountants, I got you. Guys, let's go. So all you have to do is to go to Sage. All right. So here it is. So you can actually Google Sage. You can Google it. You go to Sage. It says Sage Accounting, and then it will take you to the 30 days trial, right? Then you click on the 30 days trial, right? And then they'll give you some questions that you have to answer. Okay, so it says world-class easy cloud accounting. Complete the form below to start your free trial. Are you a student? Click here to sign up for the educational version. We don't want the educational version. We want the real version. It is business time. Educational version, we did pastel, so go and read pastel. Right, let's go. So here I am. So I'm gonna put on the names. Okay, so we do know that my surname is Rikeza, my husband's name. So I want to basically work on the Requester production. We have a company that we run together with my husband. It's still in a very early stage and we are developing it. We have already registered the company and we have some transactions that are there. So I want to take you through Sage Business Cloud using that. Okay, but we use the 30 days trial first and we take it from there. Right. So the name, all right. Naomi, surname Rikeza. Okay, so it's asking me to refresh. All right, okay. Surname Rikeza. Right, the business name, Rikeza Production. I'd like to write this one in caps. You don't have to. Rikeza Production. Pty Ltd. It's a private company. Property Limited. Pty Ltd. Right, and then the email address. So we're going to look at the email address that we are going to use for this one. Okay, I'm not going to use my email. I think I've used my email like several times. I'm going to use my husband's email to register this one. Okay, so it is at gmail.com. Okay, so there we are. That's our email. That's the email that we're going to use. The country we are in South Africa. So we're South Africa. Sage Business Cloud Accounting. We've been waiting for you. We've been waiting. It is time. Right. I don't know why I'm so excited about these guys. Let's go. Okay, then so that's the product that we want is the Sage Business Cloud Accounting. If you want to change product, you have an option to click in here, or you can change your product. Okay, so here basically what they have is the Sage Business Cloud only. Okay, because that's the one we want, the 30 days period. If you go to their website, if you go to Sage website, you have other options. Like you have payroll. If you want to do a payroll, you have payroll, all right? Sage payroll, you have pastel, you have Sage 300s, depending on how big the business is and what the need is. All right, so there are different packages that you can get. I'm gonna do a video also just to take you through Sage website where you can actually check out their products. All right, okay, anyways, let's continue. So where did we stop? Okay, the product, we got our product. What product do you currently use? Okay, so you have option. All right, if you are using none, then you can just say I'm using none. Okay, so here are the other options. They're telling you that maybe use TurboCash. These are other software, accounting softwares that you can actually use. Okay, so these are the other accounting softwares you can use. Right, so we have here TurboCash, QuickBooks, Zero, Pastel Express, Pastel Partner, outsources to my accountant if you do that. And then some people use Excel. That's quite tough, but I'm going to do a video to show you also how you can actually do your transaction in Excel. Yeah, although, anyways, we'll get there when we get there. Although I feel like if the transaction gets too heavy, maybe it's not a good idea. Right, other people also use, they use instead of Excel, other people also use Google Sheets. Okay, so you can also use Google Sheets instead of Excel. But yeah, it's work. I currently use no accounting software. I'm just gonna go for that one. No complications. Right. Referral code. Do you have referral code? We don't have, so you can skip that. Cell phone number, including the country code. Okay, so you put the country code as well. Right, you put your cell phone number. Then you click here to verify your cell phone number. All right, so they're going to verify the cell phone number, and once they've done verifying the cell phone number, then we continue. All right, so you're going to click here and you are going to right, so then we verify the cell phone number. Right, so they will send an OTP, so you have to check your phone. So guys, you're checking your phone at this point in time. All right, check an SMS that you're going to receive of the OTP. If you don't receive that, you can ask to resend. If you do receive it, then you're going to bring it here. Okay, right, so I have been sent the OTP, so I'll put the OTP down. So it's 7160 209. Okay, so I've put it down, and then it asks you, we will use your data to record your preferences for marketing, and where relevant to provide the service required. Please see the Sage privacy notice. You can read that on your own time for further details. Would you like to receive relevant email marketing about Sage products and services? Opt out at any time. I do not want to receive emails. If you want to, you can say yes, please. I say no, thanks. All right, then free trial. Okay, so we're waiting now. We're waiting for it. All right. So if there's any issue, it's also going to indicate that there's an issue. If not, we will continue. Okay, so just okay, there it is, guys. So it says spend class Sage account success. Congratulations, your free trial account details have landed in your inbox. Use the activation link sent to you to start using Sage Business Cloud accounting. All right, at this point in time now, you will have to use the activation link that has been sent to you. All right. Okay, so let's just go down. We have to now go to the email address that we have given. We have to go and open the email. Once you have opened the email, you will see a link that will be sent to you. That's the link that you would use now to start running your transactions. Okay, so let us go. Let's go, guys. Let's go open the email and get the link. Right, so now we go to our email, and when you get to the email, you can see here, it says, welcome to accounting. please activate. So hi Naomi. Sage Accounting sends me an email. Hi Naomi, welcome to accounting. With accounting, you now have the freedom to run your business anywhere, anytime. We hope that you enjoy using accounting and find it useful in the day-to-day management of your business. Please click the following link to activate your account for Rikeza Production Property Limited. Guys, it is Rikeza, not Riqueza, like people call it. It's Rikeza, right? Meaning wealth. Anyways, so it says this link is only valid for 10 days. My God. All right, so we confirm here by clicking here. So I click on confirm. So I'm waiting for it to now open up. Right, there we are. So now we are here. There we go. Okay. So now we have to put in our password. It says, hi Naomi, please create your password. All right. So I'll just create a password. I'm trying to make it easy. They actually tell you how the password should be. Please note that your password must be at least 8 characters long and contain at least 1 lowercase letter and 1 uppercase letter and 1 number and 1 special character. Oh my goodness. We'll see. Let's see. I have my uppercase and lowercase. I have my special character. Okay, I've just added a 1. Let's see if it's gonna work. So I have my uppercase, my lowercase, my special character. Right. I added a 1 to it. Let's see. Create password. So we're doing good. I've just created my password. Then it says password has been successfully created. Please log in to begin. All right, so we're gonna put in the email. I'll use the same email that you had registered with, okay, where they had actually sent you the link. That's the one that you're gonna use. All right, so I'm using my husband's one. It's Gmail. .com. The same one, don't change, all right? Then your password. If you have forgotten your password at this point in time, well, you can go to forget password. But yeah, please try to put a password that you would actually remember. Okay, and then log in. Right, at this point in time, we have the 30 days trial period. Guys, well done. You are in. Officially, you have Sage Business Cloud with you. But guys, you need internet to work with it. It is not like what you call off internet. You need to have internet actually. If you don't have internet, you won't be able to work on it. All right, there's something else they're advertising here. Don't miss out on our savings from October. The price of Sage accounting will increase, but we've got news. Lock in your current rate by purchasing an annual plan now and enjoy a full year of savings before the price range. Remember, you can buy an annual package or you can buy a monthly package. So depending on your cash, I would advise, if you are just starting with your business, I would advise you to go for a monthly package rather, because you know how the business is doing. When you make income, then you are paying as you go, you see, so it's better. But if you have enough cash, or you've planned for it, or you've budgeted for it, that's the way of saving. Okay, to save, you can pay for an annual fee. It's all up to you. All right, but I usually advise monthly, especially for people that are just starting, but it's all up to you. Okay, no thank you for now. We'll come back later. No thank you. All right, there's another one. Remind me later. Thank you, guys. I want to get into my Sage. What we all been waiting for. Let's go. So we are here. We are here. This is how it looks like. So okay, so it's still all right. Let me just remove this cookie story. So this is how it looks like, guys. That is how it looks like. So here, this is my company name already the one I created when I started. That's the one that I'm seeing right now. So Rikeza Production Property Limited, that's my company. And if you want to create more companies, you can add company here. But now, guys, the free 30 days trial does not allow you to add another company. You have to now pay. Okay, so you have to pay, because here it only allows one company. So it's only for one company for you to just try how Search Business Cloud is. And then if you want to add more clients, more companies, then you have to go and pay. Okay, like I said, guys, I'm gonna do a video where we're just gonna maneuver around the website just to check their prices, the different products that they have. So we're gonna do that video later. But anyways, let's focus, guys. So far we just managed to register ourselves on the 30 days trial, and we are on the company. I can see recursive production right there. So let's get going. Right, it says your company settings. So now I'm going to do my company settings. Okay, already from here I can see. One thing about Search Business Cloud that is so beautiful is that every time you want to try a new feature, they actually give you an explanation. Don't worry, you see it with me. They actually give you an explanation for every single feature that you're about to start. That's the beautiful section of it. Okay, let's go, guys. So let's just go next. Take a few moments to whatnot next. Right, so the company name is already there. The address, guys, you're gonna have to put in the address that you want to use. All right, I don't want to show my address here, so I'll just put in a random address. I don't want to show where I am staying. All right, so this is your postal address. It can be the same as your physical address, and this is your physical address. I'll just use that. All right. Do you want to add your banking details to your invoices and quotes? Enter the details below. All right, so you can enter your banking details here. I'm not going to do that for now, but you can just put your banking details there, the name of the bank, the account number, the branch number, and branch code, sorry, and every other thing that is necessary, so that every time you are sending your invoices, it will have the banking detail on the invoice. I mean, we all love that, isn't it? If somebody asks for a price, or if they are buying from you and you invoice them, I mean, it's easier when they see the bank details. When they can see the bank details, then they can simply make a payment instead of coming back to say, what is the banking detail? All right, so it makes life easy. Right, so you put it there. If you don't want to put it, it's also fine. Then you go next. All right, so here we are. Then here, put in your company logo. So you can choose here, choose file. I have my logo here in this laptop. If you don't have, you can make one. You can make one first, and then you come and actually use it. All right, so here's a logo. I like the black one. Your logo has been successfully uploaded. All right. It has been successful uploaded. All right. So we have our logo in there. Okay. Then it says invoice and statement logo position. How do you want the logo to be? Top left, top right. I'll say top left. Let me just leave it on top left. Okay. Then, so it basically we are designing our logo. Then it says select the layout to use for your invoices and statement. Modern, there's other options. You can use classic, you can use, let's try, what is classic? Okay. So there it is. There's the classic one, there's the modern, and there's the plain. All right. Hey, funny enough, I like the plain. Ish. Funny enough. Funny enough, I like the plain. Right. Anyways, let me just go for modern. I'll just select modern for now. Okay. But you can change it anytime you want to. You can change these informations. Okay, customize your invoices and statements. You can also download the accounting custom layout designer. And okay, we don't have that time now. Right, next. So we have just basically designed how our invoice is going to look like. That's what we just did now. We basically designed our invoice. All right, so let's come back. So we have done the branding, and then it says enable your company's zone information. Right, allow your customer to view invoices and quotes as well as their account history online. So it is enable invoices and quotes only, or invoices and account history, up to you. Okay, so this one is fine. Just go next. Right. Do you charge customers VAT? This is very important. If you do charge VAT, then you have to indicate that you do charge VAT. And you have to give us the VAT registered number. Okay. If you say yes, you have to give the number. If no, then you don't have to give the number. We are not registered for VAT yet. It's a new company. We are not registered for VAT as yet. So we say no. And you can see the VAT number has been grayed out because we are not VAT registered. All right, so let's continue. And then it comes here, invoice settings. When adding quantity to your invoice line, how many decimals do you want? I don't want decimals on my quantity. All right, so I want no decimals, so it's fine. When is your next financial year end? Guys, the question is the next one, not the current. All right, so our year end is February, and we are currently February 2024. So the next one will be February 2025. So because the current one ends in February 2024, so 2025 will be my next one. So this is perfect. It's just the way our financial period is, guys. It's all on your registration form. When you register for the company, the CIPC, it's all there. Okay. Then protection of personal information. Choose how many years you would like to retain personal information, guys. Actually, the Company Act requires at least 7 years. All right, so I'm also going to just put 7 years information. Okay, required for legislation. Then you have to give a reason. I may just repeat the same thing here. Required for legislation, or you can say Company Acts, or whatever reason that you have. It's up to you. But this has to be answered. If you don't answer this, it's not going to go through. Unfortunately, it is not going through. So you have to answer it. Right. And then we're done here. Finish. You click on finish. Perfect, guys. There we have it. Okay, Sage Accounting Mobile. What? Remind me later. Thank you. Our cookies. Oh my God. Okay. Choose from a list of dashboard to show how your business is performing. Right. So this is what I was talking about. So what business cloud, Sage Business Cloud does, it actually gives you direction on how to use the system. So guys, this is the best system. I would recommend this system all the time, especially for somebody who's not very keen in, they don't know much about accounting systems. They give you like a lecture. They lecture you in every new functions. For the first time you're using it, they will lecture you. All right, so this is what they're doing to us. So here, quick view. So they're explaining what this is. Quick view, get a quick view of customers, suppliers, items, or accounts information quickly and easily without leaving the screen you are working on. All right, so that's where the quick view is. Here to show you the items that you want to jump into, all right, without leaving the screen. Next, it's explaining everything. You see here, this star here, it's favorite. And this you use favorites to get quick access to your most used pages in accounting with the option to manage your favorites or even add current page as your favorite. So if I want to make something my favorite, then I click there. Next. Oh, so there are about 7 pages, guys. We'll see. Then it says create your first invoice. This is where you actually create your first invoice. You see here where it says create invoice. That's what this option is. Guys, it's explaining every manual. I mean, who would want to use Sage Business Cloud, guys? Come on. Who would want to use this? I mean, it's actually helping you, telling you what to do. It's giving you a lecture. All right. So it says this menu here of create invoice. So this is magic happens when you start entering transaction. So start selling items to your customers and get paid. You can access invoice from this screen, your workspace, or from the transaction option under the customer menu. Under the customer menu, you can also do your invoicing. Right. Next one is explaining the bank statements. Right here, you can upload a bank statement. Okay, remember about the bank statement. Like I said, there are 2 options. You can either do it manually or you can do it automatically. But that's a process for another day. Maybe I'll do a video on that. I think I want to do manually as well. But the only problem with that, guys, the only problem with automatic linking the bank to your Sage is that it can only go backwards by 3 months. Only 3 months, like 90 days only. So if you wanted a transaction for the whole year, you have to do some manual, only 3 months back. So now we are in September. So it will only give me September. It will give me August and July. That's how far it can go. Anything before that, I have to do it manually. Okay. So anyways, upload a bank statement. Start your banking by importing your bank statements or enter transactions manually. That's what I was talking about. To record your income and expenditure. You can even do your banking on autopilot with bank feeds. Access all the banking features on the banking menu. Right, the best, because of time, guys, we don't have time. I know you and I don't have time. So the best is when you're starting your business, just start Sage already and link your bank account to your Sage, so that every time you do transaction via the bank, it comes automatically to Sage, and then all you need to do is to allocate. It's going to save time. If you can do it from the beginning, even better. Let's continue. Then next, the next one that is explaining now, it is my settings. It says change your profile and company settings. So the settings at the top, there are other options also to get settings at the top. So you change your setting, change your profile and company settings. Use my profile for billing options if you want to actually pay them, for you to know how they have billed you. You go to my profile for billing options and personal preferences. All right, company settings is where you can change a host of settings, including tax settings, financial years, customers, and supply invoice messages and layouts, logos, branding, and email signatures. Okay, so you can also have email signatures from here. Right, and then the guide is done. View this guide. To view this guide again, choose the show quick tips option on the top menu. So if you want to see it again. Right, so we're done with the guide, guys. You can see here there's Rikeza production, and I can see here as well Rikeza production property limited workspace. So it is my workspace, guys. This is my company. Basically, it's our company, my husband and I. It is our company. I have another company. I've got a college as well. I'm going to also do that on the college. Maybe I'll save the college for maybe QuickBooks or Zero or something. But yeah, this is my own company, and I'm going to be working on it myself. I'm my own accountant. All right, let's go. So what do you need to do today? And then, so basically it gives me a dashboard. Every system is like that. When I open it, it will give me a dashboard. At this point in time, I don't have any transaction inside. So it doesn't show me any of things like my sales, how's my sales improving, how my data is paying, am I paying my suppliers on time? What is my profit looking like? Am I making a profit? Am I making a loss? How's my assets? How is my equity and everything? So normally it will start doing that once you start transacting. So when we start putting in transactions, that's when it will start. Now remember, nowadays we like to work with the bank, but bank is not the only option. I can also have cash transactions. Okay, so I can have different bank accounts. I can have cash transactions as well included in there. At the end of the day, the transactions have to be right, guys. So one advice, make sure your transactions are correct. If your transactions are correct, it means that your trial balance will not have issues. And when I get to do my financial statements, there won't be issues. So guys, I will tell you, what I do is I use Sage for my transactions, invoicings, and many other things, quotations and all of that. Also to link if my customers are paying or not, to check all those information. Also for management accounts. All right, I'll do that later as well. So I'm going to do a lot of videos, guys. I'm so excited. Woo! So catch me, guys, this Saturday, next week Saturday as well. So these days we're busy with Sage. Okay, I think we've put a pause on Microsoft Excel. Guys, I've given you a lot on Microsoft Excel. Please go and learn, go and learn. The next videos on Microsoft Excel will now be advanced. Okay, we're not going to advance because we did the beginners. At this point in time, you should know Microsoft Excel. So we're putting a pause on it. We are busy with Sage now. I'm going to take a while here. A while. Okay, so basically I use it for that. But when I do my financial statement, I like to use DraftWorks. I like to use DraftWorks. The reason being is the DraftWorks already has basically the layout that is required, right? It has the layout that is required by AFRES. So already everything that I need, it's already there. All right, so I just need to bring my trial balance and to put it in place. Then I'm just going to run few journals and put it together. So the financial statement comes the way as required by AFRES, with the notes and every other notes that are required as per AFRES. So I use DraftWorks for my financial statements. Okay, so I'm going to take you guys through this journal. First of all, here we've just created a company. That's what I wanted to do today. How to use the 30 days trial on Business Cloud, Sage Business Cloud, and also how to start moving transactions now. So I'm going to do the next video. I'm going to start now how to record transactions. Yeah, basically it, guys, and then we're going to learn most of these menus when we get there. I'm sure that tutorial that they gave us also did help. So we're going to in our next class. Don't even miss it, guys. Don't even miss it. And by the way, guys, let's talk about this. Guys, it's been a journey and I'm enjoying it. By the way, I want to thank you all that have subscribed. Those of you that have subscribed, guys, you have really touched my heart. Thank you so much for the support. Thank you so much for showing me love. All right. So those of you that have subscribed and those of you that are sharing my links around, I really, really appreciate you guys. I appreciate what you're doing. Please continue to share my links. Okay. And then please talk about us. Also, those of you that have not subscribed, guys, you keep coming to watch and like, but you don't subscribe. Guys, subscribe, please. Okay, guys, please subscribe while you watch the video. If you are watching this video right now, subscribe now, like now. Hit the notification button, guys. A lot of beautiful content are coming up. I'm going to take you guys through. I'm going to create you. I want to make you an accountant. That's what I want to do. I want to make you an accountant. So please subscribe, guys. Share the links around with your friends, with your families and people you know, especially if you are a student. Share it on the student groups, please. We really need your support in that because real content are coming up. Classic content. I am turning you into an accountant. All right, guys. Thank you so much for staying up until this long. More is coming on Sage Business Cloud. More is coming, and I'm excited. I don't know about you. Please, let's see you guys on the next video. Thank you so much. Bye.